Hi everyone, this one will show how to do cabin filters or pollen filters on a BMW F11. F10 will be the same for the right hand drive car, because couldn't find any videos on right hand drive ones. I presumed it's going to be on the passenger side, but wasn't too sure. It is on the passenger side, so have a look. All you need is two filters, because there's two of them in the case. You need T20 torx bit. There's one bolt by there at the end of the trim, and then this one. Okay, so after undoing this screw and two screws on each side, there's one screw here, one same kind of screw this side. After you've undone this one and this one and that screw as well, you have to unclip this part. There's a plastic clip behind it, but you have to feel it. I couldn't undo it. Basically what you've done after you've unclipped this, pull it forwards and it slides out. I'll show you what it looks like. Two clips over this side and three locking springs. The next thing you do on this part, what you have to do is just pry it, pull it down, just pull it. There's a clip over this side, just a spring clip. Then you go to this side, pull it again, it pops out. There's another spring, and you pull the whole thing out. Now, mind you, there's the light. You have to undo this. Basically, press it, pull it, and then that's held on another little clip. You just either slide that off or pull it off. It's only a clip of this kind. Yeah. And then you can have the whole thing out, and that box is your filters. Again, the same. I think it's the T20 if I remember correctly. Yes, it is the T20. So you undo 4 screws on this. There's one there, one over this side. And there's 2 more over this side. There's one here. And there's one in the back. Actually, no, it's over here. After taking the foam off, pop it off. Mine needs a bit of clean, as you can tell. And basically the filters are just there. Pull one. I believe these are genuine. And this is the airflow arrow, which you have to make sure you got it the same way on the other one. Because they are directional. Let's put them aside this way. And the other one's behind it. airflow is going the same way, so this is the mess that came out of the bottom of it. Okay, so we've got 2 filters. They are aftermarket. These are actually made by Napa, which is the local motor factors here. So we're going to fit the first one in. You have to remember the airflow direction. Go into there. It's the slot behind the first one, further away. Just push it in slowly, not to bend it too much. Right, just go little by little, doesn't matter, as long as it goes in and sits tight. It's obviously a little bit easier when you're doing it with 2 hands. And this is the other one, which is more in the front. Again, this one's easier because it's more an access to this side. Fingers towards. Right, okay. Okay, so both of our filters are in. Remember to attach that little vent pipe or whatever that is. Hold on. Okay, so that pipe is attached to the end of it, as it was. Now, see those? They need to slot into those brackets in the back, so you have to go at it, and then after you can feel it's in, then you pull it up back, then you pull it back up. Once it's slotted in the back, you close it up, put the screws back in, and that's it, job done. Okay, so we tighten them, fall back up. Okay, this one's tight. There's one. That one is really awkward. Them too. Make sure it's all lined up. It's all sealed nicely. Okay. Also remember you need to connect. Also remember to connect this, the glove box. Also remember to connect the light and clip that in. Okay, like that back in, like that back in, and then slot it where it should be. Once the back is all lined up, just line up the pegs here, push them in. And this one clicks in. Then we pull back the side panel. Press it against it. Have to push it there with one hand. Slide it with this hand, Okay, 2 clips. 1, 2. And then we got the 3 screws, one by there. It's going to be located because we found the location of the other 2, so it should find itself easy. Yeah. And the other 2 this one's in. So yeah, tighten them back up. Don't go mad about it, it's only plastic, so. That one didn't go in where it should do. I think now it did. Yeah, now it did. Again, it doesn't need to be tight. That's the last one, and I'm running out of battery on the camera, so. Okay, and that's that. Slide it in, push it in. 1 screw by there, 1 at the top, 1 over this side. Job done. Okay, car's ready then. Please like and subscribe if you find this useful. As I said, I couldn't find any videos on right-hand drive car, hence why I've done this one. See you on the next one.